Let's go join Farmer Matt and Farmer Tammy. They're going to walk us through how they milk cows here on their farm.
Step one for us is having the cows enter into the milking barn.
We're able to watch them, make sure the behavior is okay. They go in their individual stalls.
Some of them are creatures of habit, and they have their own particular stalls they want to be in. Otherwise, they'll just walk into a stall that's open. In our milking process, one of the first things we do is we want to sample each cow's milk. We do that by looking at the milk sample on the floor. The next step would be taking a peroxide-based dip and applying it to the teat in a foam form. It's just about like using soap when it lathers up on your hands. It helps clean the cows, helps kill any germs that might be on the end of the teat.
After the 20 seconds, then we take a cloth, which is kind of like a regular washcloth like you would use. We wipe the teats off, make sure they're all clean, there's no dirt, nothing left on them, and then we apply the milking unit to them.
This is a milker claw. This has 4 cups on it with soft rubber liners in it. We attach this unit to the cow's 4 teats, and at that time, it'll start collecting the milk. Once the milker is placed on the cow, this is actually a tremendous relief to the cow as she's being milked.
And they'll let us know if we're late milking them because our goal is to keep them as comfortable as possible. These are smart machines. They stay on the cow for about 5 minutes. They come off on their own. They can tell actually when she's actually done milking, and they have a string and they just retract up.
Once the milker comes off the cow, our next step is what we call post-dipping. We put an iodine-based dip on her that helps kill any germs until the next milking.